This is so weird. Never been on this like entrance. Wow. Let me know in the comments if you want me to drive in manual more. I don't mind. It's just like, let me know. If I take these, if I spend these bands with you, I'm not gonna lie, this song go hard. I got all the plans. Another check. Order up the bouncer with the crab cake. Niggas always flying on your word. They love you, then they hate you, that's the curse. That's a Lil Cosby, 30 bitches overnight. I might have to hit my back up, get that set. I can't tell no stories, I can't tell no lies. All we do is money, do is curse. That's a curse. only 5 minutes away from where I gotta be, so I'm gonna end the video pretty damn soon here. I'm gonna give you one last one. I got you. You ready? Look. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. Thanks for watching the video, man. I appreciate you. Hope you had a good one. Hope you liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit me with a okay, you gotta give me a like for that one, right? Like, shit, that was nice. But alright, y'all stay blessed, have a good one, stay safe, happy holidays, and I will see you very soon.
Fed up, yeah, I want my rest and I want it, you know, fed up, yeah, we about to go.